Hello everyone, my name is Alfredo Hayag. I am the Principal Technical Product Specialist here at Peregrine Connect, and welcome to our demonstration on how to map using line of business applications. Start off by opening Neuron, click on File, New and then Repository, then click on Data Mapper and launch Flightpath. In order to map using Salesforce, click on Application, then Salesforce, then select New Salesforce Connection. Enter the required information and then choose Test Connection to make sure it works. Once the test connection is successful, click Next, then choose the category you want to map with. After choosing a category, you need to choose a subcategory. Now we need an operation. You have 6 options to choose from: Create, Update, Upsert, Merge, Delete, and Undelete. In our example, we will choose Create. This is where we will generate our document. Simply click on the Create button and the document will be loaded in. After the document has been loaded, click Next. In order to create a mapping, we also need target data. In our example, we will be using XML data. Click on the XML icon and then choose File System and choose the files you want to use. Once the file is loaded, click Next and then Finish. Now that both source and target data has been loaded, we can begin a basic mapping. Simply connect the corresponding elements or attributes by holding the Control key. Make sure you save your mappings by clicking Save and then Apply. We finally reached the end of our demonstration. I hope that we were able to convey the richness and ease of use built into the Data Mapper. Watch our series videos on the Data Mapper, which guides you on how to use the features we discussed today in various mapping scenarios which you may encounter in your integration journey. We work with our customers and partners each day to get the insight we need to provide you with a better experience. Integration shouldn't be hard. That's why we built Peregrine Connect. An evaluation version of Peregrine Connect's suite of applications can be downloaded from our website as www.peregrineconnect.com. We look forward to hearing from you.